This time, straight over the bowler's head. Once again.
And another. Stanley can't get it right. Four more. Brilliant timing. Wow, what batting this is.
Square cover. Oh, that's gone. That's beautifully dealt with. 6. Magnificently handled.
Craig. Beautiful shot over the top, and that might go for 4. And it does.
Played recently.
Oh, 4 more. Stand and deliver. On the up.
One, is he connected on this one? Yes, he has! Once again! Gee, that boundary rope made no sense.
The moment you start losing wickets, find yourself in trouble. So a partnership. And a few sixes like that. Dilshan Munaweera. That's a big one.
Support of the Yellows. Fantastic shot. Too short and too wide.
Gets this one, does Munaweera, and he's off the mark in powerful style.
Creates a little bit of width, whereas onto it in the flash, opens the face over the top.
Oh boy, he's got that one, got plenty of it. Straight back over the bowler's head. Got it up on that, has he? You betcha. Oh, that sounded tremendous off the bat. Speaking of sixes, thank you very much. We'll have another one.
Get too straight in a one because of the field that's set. Just trying to hit a length go.
And over the top. It's a long, long way.